Oh, it's just tune and a half. Switchblade. I'm not too sure. Did it come up on screen? If so, I'll get it played for you, mate. I didn't actually hear it come through. Didn't hear anything. Right. Bear with me. I will get that sorted ASAP. Just need to kill a few people. Yeah, I'll replay it for you, Switchblade. Bear with. Where is it? I think I know what's happened. For some reason, my... Oh, why the hell's that done that? Right. Right, so, yeah, I can see it on there, mate. I don't know why I didn't play, though, to begin with. Oh, shit. Oh, Strickland, you got me a treat with that, mate. You got me a goddamn treat with that. So, Switchblade, there was your Pedro as well, mate. Do apologise for why it didn't go off before.